Welcome back to the next session of sets. We are in the process of doing the numerical problems on sets based on Venn diagrams. Let us see the question here. Out of 20 members in a family, 11 like to take coffee, or 11 like coffee. 14 like tea. Assume that each one likes at least one of the two drinks. At least one of the two drinks. Find how many like both. Now sir, n of A union B. It is given in the question. Assume that each one likes at least one of the two drinks. So these 20 members are taken as A union B. N of coffee 11. Coffee union tea here. N of T is equal to 40. What is required here? N of C intersection T is question mark. N of C intersection T is question mark. So N of C union T is equal to N of C plus N of T minus N of C intersection T. How many are in C union B? 20. How many are in C? 11. 14 minus N of C intersection T. N of C intersection T is 25 minus 20. This is 5. So let us calculate the remaining two parts also. N of coffee only. This is N of C minus T. N of C minus N of C intersection T. N of C, how many like coffee? 11 minus C intersection T 5. So 6. Only 6 like coffee. Third one, N of T only. N of T minus C. So N of T minus N of C intersection T. N of T 14 minus 5. This is 9. So these two parts are added from my side. Okay, just for practice. Next question. In a group of 70 people, 45 speak Hindi, 33 speak English, and 10 speak neither Hindi nor English. Neither Hindi nor English. Fine. How many can speak? How many can speak both English as well as Hindi? Okay, sir. First, let us calculate whatever being asked in the question. Then we can extend this one to further. Now, sir, here neither nor is given. So let us take n of universal set is 70. N of Hindi union English complement is equal to 10. Okay. So n of H union E plus n of H union E complement is equal to universal set. So n of H union E is equal to universal set minus H union E complement. 70 minus 10, 60. So either Hindi or English is equal to 60. Now n of H union E is equal to n of H plus n of E minus n of H intersection E. So n of H intersection E, n of H plus n of E minus n of H union E. N of H 45 speak Hindi, n of E 33 minus union 60. 78 minus 60, this is 80. 18 will speak both Hindi and English. This is the question which they want. Let us go for the extension. N of H minus E, Hindi only. N of H minus n of H intersection E. N of H 45 minus 8, 27. Third one, n of E minus H, n of English only. This is n of E minus n of H intersection E. N of E 33 minus 18, 50. So these are the three answers. Okay, sir. In a survey of 300 companies, the number of companies using different media newspaper, radio, and television are as follows. Find the number of companies using first question, newspaper only as media, newspaper only as media, radio as media, radio only as media, television only as media, fourth one, newspaper and radio but not TV, fifth one, newspaper and TV but not radio, sixth one, radio and TV but not newspaper, seventh one, at least one of them as media, eighth one, none as media. So these are the maximum possibilities we have. 9 numerical problems we have. Okay. Let us see the Venn diagram for this. This is newspaper, radio, television. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is divided into 7 parts. It is divided into 7 parts. N of n is equal to 200. N of r is equal to 100. N of t is equal to 40. N of n intersection t intersection r is equal to 5. This way information is given. Remaining blanks we have to fill up. Remaining blanks in the sense this part 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. These are the calculations required. Look at the part 2. Part 2. What is part 2, sir? Number of companies using newspaper and radio but not TV. Part 2 is what? Number of companies which are using newspaper and radio but not TV as media. This part. What will I do? This whole will represent what? This whole will represent a newspaper and radio. N of newspaper intersection radio minus N of n intersection R intersection TV. From this whole part, I will subtract the small part so that I will get 2. N of n intersection R 50 minus 5, this is 45. So this part is equal to 45. Now let us move to 6. This is second 6. N of R intersection TV but not newspaper. This part 6 will represent what? Number of companies which are using radio and TV but not a newspaper as their media. Again, this part will represent what? B intersection C. So here it is. Number of companies which are using radio intersection TV. From this, I will subtract this common portion N of n intersection R intersection TV. R intersection TV 20 minus 5, this is 15. So this part is 15. Next 4. Number of, this is a newspaper and TV. Newspaper intersection TV but not radio. N of newspaper intersection TV minus N of newspaper intersection T radio intersection TV. N intersection TV 25 minus 5, this is 20. So this part is 20. Major work is over. Let's go for this. First question. N only. Newspaper only. Look at this one. This set is newspaper set. This set is a newspaper set. It is divided into 4 parts, 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4. N of newspaper is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. N of newspaper, how many given? 200 is equal to 1. We have to calculate 45, 5 plus 20. This is 1 plus 50, 70. So, N of N only. This is 200 minus 70 is equal to 130. 200 minus 70 is equal to 130. This is the answer to this one. So N of N only. This is 130. N of N only is equal to 130. Okay. Now I have to go for part 3. Look at this. N of R is equal to, this is N of radio, this part. Again it is divided into 4 parts. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. So number of radio. How many companies are using radio? 100. 2 is 45. 3 we have to calculate. 5 is equal to 5. 6 is equal to 15. This is 65. 3 plus 65 is 100. So N of R only is equal to 3 only. This is 3. 100 minus 65, this is 35. So this part is 35. This part is 35. Okay, one more calculation is over. What left over for me? 7. N of TV. This is N of TV, this part. So this is divided into 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So 7 is equal to N of TV only. N of TV minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. N of TV, television, it is given 40. 4 is equal to 20. 5 is equal to 5. 6 is equal to 15. 40 minus 40 is 0. This is 0. N of T only. 0. This is N of R only. 30. So all parts are calculated. All parts are calculated. So look at the question. Newspaper only is the first question. Answer is 130. Radio only is the second question. 35 is the answer. Television only is the third question. Answer is 0. Fourth question is newspaper and radio but not TV. Newspaper and radio but not TV. 45. Radio and TV but not newspaper is the next question. Radio and TV but not newspaper. 15. Next question. Newspaper and TV but not radio. 20. Okay. So at least one. Next question is at least one. Next question. At least one as media. N union T, R union T. At least one as media means N union R union T. This is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so this is 130 plus 45 plus 35 plus 15 plus 5 plus 20 plus 0. So this is 130 plus 35 plus 45 plus 15 plus 5 plus 20. 250. Answer is 250. At least one as media. At least one as media 250. Now none. Last question. None. N of N union R union T complement is equal to N of U minus N of (300 minus 250). This is 50. So this is the maximum information we have from three sets. Maximum information we have for three sets. Okay. Some good practice with presence of mind is required when you are solving the problems. Okay. Let me take up the next one. In a town of 20,000 families, (40% by newspaper A, comma 20% by 20% means 20% of families, 40% means 40% of families by newspaper B, (10% by newspaper C, 5% by A and B, 3% by B and C, and 4% by A and C. If 2% by, if 2% by all the three papers. Now once again we have all the problems are 7-8 questions. Who will buy A only? Who will buy B only? Who will buy C only? A and B but not C. B and C but not A. A and C but not B. At least one none. These are the questions. Now look at this. N of A 20. So this is equal to 8,000. N of B 20,000 into 20%, 4,000. N of C this is 2,000. N of A intersection B 1,000. N of A intersection C 20,000 into 4 by 100, 800. N of B intersection C 20,000 into 3 by 100, 600. N of A intersection B intersection C 400. So that percentage is converted into numbers. Three sets we have. ABC. Three sets we have ABC. This is A intersection B intersection C. N of 400. N of A 8,000. N of B 4,000. N of C 2,000. Remaining values we have on the board. This part is required. This is nothing but, look at this. This small part is required. Let us consider this whole part. This is A intersection B. From A intersection B, you subtract A intersection B intersection C. You'll get this part. So A intersection B is 1,000 minus 400 is 600. 1,000 minus 400 is 600. Let us go to this part. This is B intersection C. This part is B intersection C. This part is B intersection C. So B intersection C, how much? 600 minus 400. This is 200. 600 minus 400 is 200. A intersection C. This is 800 minus 400 is equal to 400. Now A I want. N of A only. This is 8,000 minus 6,000. 8,000 minus 600 minus 400 minus 400. So this is 8,000 minus 1,400. 6,600 Here it is n of b only 4000 minus 600 minus 200 minus 400. So from this 4000, 1, 2, 3, these three parts I am subtracting to get this. So 4000 minus 1200. 4000 minus 1200. 2800. 2800. Now n of c only. This is equal to 2000. From this you subtract these three parts. 400 minus 400 minus 200. 1000. Now sir. Okay. Let us answer all the questions one after another. Newspaper on A only, number of families who purchase A only. This is 6600. First question. B only. This is equal to 2800. N of C only 1000. Fourth question. A intersection B intersection C complement. A and B but not C. A and B but not C. 600 this part. Fifth question. N of B intersection C intersection A complement. B and C but not A. 200. Sixth one. N of A intersection C intersection B complement. A and C but not B. 400. 400 this part. Seventh question. A union B union C. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 6600 plus 600 plus 2800 plus 400 plus 400 plus 200 plus 1000. So this is 6600 plus 600 plus 2800 400 400 200 1000. 12,000. 12,000. Now none. Eighth question. A union B union C complement. This is equal to sir 2000 minus 1200. This is 800. So, when you know the concept of this Venn diagrams, which part will represent which one, these problems are as simple as anything. No need to put pen on the paper. With the calculator, you can do all the calculations. Okay? Next question. Look at the 66th question of AQB additional question bank. Out of total of 150 students, 45 passed in accounts, 50 in maths, 30 in costing, 30 in both accounts and maths, 32 in both maths and costing, 35 in both accounts and costing, 25% in all the three subjects. Find the number. Who passed? At least in any one of the subjects. This is my question. How many students are there? Universal set is having 150. N of A, how many students passed in accountancy? 45. N of M, maths 50. N of C, costing 30. N of A intersection M, accounts and maths 30. N of M intersection C 32. $35. Accounts intersection costing. Accounts intersection costing 35. Accounts intersection maths intersection costing 25. So what is required? N of accounts union maths union costing. So N of A plus N of M plus N of C minus N of A intersection M, M intersection C, C intersection A, or you can write A intersection C plus N of accounts intersection maths intersection costing. How many passed in accounts? 45. Maths 50. This is 30. Minus 30 minus 32 minus 35 plus 25. So this is 45 plus 50 plus 30 plus 25 minus 30 minus 32 minus 35, 15. This is the answer, 15. Okay, that's all in this, remaining in the next session. Thank you.